How to get $100 Dyson promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Dyson promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Dyson. So, go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. $50 off, 20% off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. I'm going to select this one, $100 off. Just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it. Then click on redeem at Dyson. You will be directed to the official website of Dyson. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Also, make sure to try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Likewise, make sure to check out this website, as this website will also provide a working promo code for Dyson. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Dyson promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.